Good morning, everybody, from snowy Massachusetts. This is what we woke up to this morning. You see all the trees. Look at that. So, kids have no school today. Charlie's work canceled school. Charlie's work canceled work. Because he's out in like North Andover, which they probably even got more than we did. And I have a 2-hour delay for work. So we're trying to shovel out so I can get to work. And the family is helping shoveling. I just did all that, so I'm taking a break. And they look thrilled. Are you thrilled?
Someone was making a pile where we need to shovel.
That was Avery boy. And what are you wearing? You're sporting Sophie's hat. Because it's still snowing or sleeting or raining or something.
Versace spring collection poof.
Oh, you see the cardinal? Can you see the red cardinal that's flying? Oh, I hope you can see that. It was a really red cardinal flying tree to tree. This is what we got. And we have to shovel in front of the mailbox so they don't deliver the mail.
Yeah, we gotta get to the mailbox too.
You have to measure it.
You have to measure it? Yeah. So here we are. For those of you that don't get snow.
This is not
too
cold.
Yeah, it's not too cold. This is
only like 6 inches, maybe 6 or 7.
I think they're estimating us to be 7 or 10, but I'm not sure if we hit it.
It's not anymore though, unless there's supposed to be another batch coming through.
Yeah, I don't know.
It was a stormy day, but it's over with now.
All right.
Avery did some shoveling on there, and that's part of the previous storm and this storm, so I don't think you're getting the real amount over here. And we were going to, oh, look at the nice little light snowflakes. You see them? I don't know if you can see them on the camera.
So where should I do this? This says 8 inches.
This says 8 inches, but there was some a little bit there.
I know, but
Supposedly
I don't think this went through the stuff that was already there.
Oh, okay.
Because it was hard.
Okay.
So it was 8 inches. I'll test it down here though.
Let's double test it.
There's
A little bit slippery.
Yeah, this is saying 8 inches too.
So we got about 8 inches today.
Yeah, we got 8 inches today.
I think. This is our deck. We do the minimal shoveling usually. And this is all getting wiped out within the next couple of months. And we're going to get a new lower deck down there. We got to burn all that brush and stuff, but very excited about it. And she locked me out. What you doing, Avery? What type of cereal are you eating, buddy? Show the people what you're eating. What's the preferred cereal of Avery this week? Show me! Show me! People want to know! Don't run away!
Avery.
Hog! 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 Avery! Hog! Oh, you're no fun. Alright. What does he want to eat?
Frosted chocolate mini wheats, I think.
This week's cereal is Little Bites Frosted Mini
These
Wheats
look good.
Chocolate.
Ooh, I might eat some of these.
We're in our corner.
Yay!
No one but Disney nerd herders in a corner. Except for us. Alright. Now.
So, while I've been working all day and Charlie stayed home doing nothing.
Yay.
Okay.
It's usually the opposite way around. I usually have to drive up to Andover and this crap. And anyways, right now we are going to be doing a taste testing of a new Haggen-Dazs ice cream. If it will
How do people do it?
You gotta put your hands in the
Okay.
background so it goes like this.
Okay. How's
Is
that?
it?
I think it's focused.
All right, so
There we
now
go.
what's it say?
It says
It's the new Spirits line, Haggen-Dazs, and it's, what does it say?
This is supposed to be
It's
pretzel and
Stout,
beer?
Spirit Stout, chocolate, pretzel. Can you read that?
All right, I think they looked at it enough.
All right, pretzel crunch, chocolate
right,
pretzel
so
crunch
it's-
ice cream.
Chocolate pretzel crunch ice cream.
We're gonna
He
be
found this
trying.
thing. I'm
We
scared.
found it, so we gotta try it.
I am scared.
It is our
I'm
job
having a hard
to
time
bring
opening it. We got the
the
seal.
different types of ice cream to the masses.
So-
Where's my spoon? I get the smaller spoon.
I have not eaten supper yet.
So we gotta
I just
try
got
this.
home, so this is what it looks like.
You've
It looks
heard of Spirit
chocolatey.
jerseys? This is Spirit ice cream.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Okay, try it.
You gotta try it too.
All right.
It's not frozen very well. What
No,
happened
it
to
didn't
it?
freeze very well. Something wrong with our freezer?
It might be
Oh, yeah,
alcohol
you see,
content. No.
Oh, I hope not.
No, it's not alcohol.
Okay.
We wouldn't have alcohol
Alright, here you
ice
go.
cream in the fridge. Oh, that is dark chocolatey.
That is.
It tastes a
It
little
tastes
bit.
alcohol.
It does. You don't.
It
But it's not
tastes like-
alcohol. It can't have alcohol.
It tastes like beer. My tongue is like numb.
Stacy hates beer, right?
Ugh.
I can.
You can
I
have
like.
that.
I like certain types of beers. I don't really wasn't prepared for beer in my ice cream, but
Well,
it
it says
does taste.
stout.
It does taste.
It tastes like beer.
It tastes like someone put
Like poured beer on top
poured
of your
Guinness
ice cream.
into chocolate flavored ice cream.
Yes. And there's crunch. It's crunchy.
Oh, I didn't get crunches in my first bite.
Yep.
What is it?
It's
What is
right
it?
here. See right there? Get that.
I got some of this one.
Right. You can see that there's a crunchy thing right here.
It's not as bad when you have the crunchy things
well,
in it.
the crunchy thing is the chocolate covered pretzel.
Oh, chocolate covered pretzels, yeah.
That's the crunchy thing.
Huh.
I do not like it. I
It is much better with the chocolate covered pretzel. than without pretzels.
I had the chocolate pretzel
Like it.
and I don't like it.
I didn't like the first taste. It didn't have the chocolate
Ugh.
covered pretzel in it. The chocolate covered pretzel adds a saltiness and it takes away from the beerness and it adds a pretzelness to
Alright,
it.
I
So
have
it's
to read this.
it's much more easier to eat when you get pretzel pieces in here, chocolate covered pretzel pieces in here.
Okay.
I'll eat the rest of this.
This says, it says, since 1960, our passion has been to transform the finest ingredients into extraordinary ice cream.
Well, that's the Haggen-Dazs thing.
The Spirits collection features a perfect pairing, extraordinary ice cream and a finely crafted spirit.
Okay.
A pub-inspired indulgence, stout-infused chocolate ice cream with notes of toasted malt. I'm sorry.
You have your glass?
I got my glasses on, but
She needs stronger glasses.
I know. These aren't the ones. These are a grade down than
Malt
mine.
is studded?
It's studded with chocolatey covered pretzels and decadent fudge swirls. I mean, you can see the fudge. That's the dark stuff. And we have the chunks of chocolate, but the rest of it can...
Yeah, but look
Yeah.
at this. This whole container has like 940 calories.
Yeah,
The
I
whole
probably
container
just
is like-
gained 10 pounds with that one
yeah,
bite.
so I gotta eat it slowly over like a week or something. You can't
Does
eat
it?
this all at one night.
Does it say that there's like alcohol in? Well, it was in the regular freezer, so it's not like there's. There can't be alcohol
Yeah.
in it.
It's not like not enough to.
I wonder if the malt is what makes it taste
Malted,
stoutly.
well, yeah, extract. So it has
Right?
malted corn syrup, coconut oil, beer malt
Beer
extract.
malt, that's it.
No, beer malt extract. So that's where
Right.
all that. That's where
the flavor,
comes from.
yeah.
Okay. All right, so
All right.
definitely not for you. You
Yeah.
didn't like it?
No, I did not like
Grab
it.
this so I can shut it. Okay.
I will not have another.
But I'll
bite
end
of
up
that.
finishing this, but I would not buy this again on
Yeah.
my own. I'd rather have
Definitely
the Haagen-Dazs regular chocolate ice cream. That's my favorite.
Yeah.
All right, so there you have it.
All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed the
Haagen-Dazs
grossness.
Spirit.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And,
For what I just had to go through, you better like and subscribe and hit that notification button.
And I was so happy you here today that 407 Eats people are alive.
Yes, we watched your
Awesome.
video.
We miss your videos, people, and we miss seeing you guys around.
Yeah,
and
so
stuff,
everyone check out 407 Eats.
think about that. Just if you want to produce more videos, you'll make 2 people here happy.
Yeah,
But,
so we're so excited to see that you posted something.
Thanks everyone for watching.
Bye.
Bye-bye.